Devotional focus for today. Sometimes we think we know exactly what the solution is, like someone struggling to start a fire on a windy beach, convinced they just need more matches, when what they really need is someone to block the wind. It's like an example in our life that the crowd that gathered around Jesus was filled with people eager for healing and amazed by what they saw. But he looked deeper. He knew what they truly needed when beyond excitement. They needed guidance, understanding, and care. Even his closest followers were focused on practical questions. Where will the food come from? But what they missed was something bigger than their teacher wasn't just solving problems. He was showing them what truly care looks like. In a quiet place, far from the city, he had the crowd sit on the soft grass, creating space for rest and renewal. Whether they realize it or not, they were being cared for like people who'd uh, long been without direction, finally seen, finally safe. Sometimes we don't know what to ask for, but uh, it's comforting to know. It's comforting to know there's someone who understands our real needs often before we do. Thank you for watching, my brothers and sisters. Have a blessed Monday.